And here we are. What we're looking at is over here on this side of my screen. How did the Great Compromise solve the problem of representation? The committee appointed to solve the problem of representation came up with the Connecticut Compromise. The guy who created it was from Connecticut. Just the Great Compromise has three parts. Part one, Congress would have two houses, the Senate and the House of Representatives. Membership in the House would be based on proportional representation. The House would have the power to develop all bills dealing with taxes and government spending. As you learned in lesson five, a bill is a proposed law. Next, membership in the Senate would be based on equal representation. At first, the Senate only had power to accept or reject bills related to taxes and spending passed in the House. This power was later modified to let the Senate make changes to bills involving taxes and spending developed in the House. So, going back to it, one, we're going to have two houses. So if one plan called for one house, another plan called for two, let's just split down the middle. Each house gets one, or each plan is reflected in one of the two houses. So the first plan, the Virginia plan, is showing up in the House of Representatives. This gives more the states with more people more power. And then moving on down to the Senate, no matter if you're a big state or if you're a small state, you have equal representation. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is how the framers compromised on um, representation. Ooh, next.